Let's move on. Bajaj Electricals is the next stock in focus. On the sidelines of the AGM, the management interestingly said they're looking at a buyout or rather large buyouts. Let's touch base with Shekhar Bajaj, who's joining us right now. The CMD at Bajaj Electricals joins us from Agra. Shekhar, great having you with us. Interesting comments came from you that you're scouting for a brand with 1,000 crore corpus. Can you talk about more details? How soon could we see a deal getting signed?
It has been covered is a little misleading because what they said, how big an acquisition would you look at? I said we will not go for more than 1,000 crore because more than that much is the amount which is available to us. But at this moment, there's no acquisition of 1,000 crore in sight. It is only, they asked that how big an acquisition can you go for? So there I have mentioned that we can go up to 1,000 crores. But the other thing which I mentioned is that the major problem which is happening is that the valuations are so high at this moment, and many of the multinationals, because their interest rates are very low, they can afford to go and acquire companies and pay very high P ratios and very high valuation because their cost of interest is only 3-4%, or in Japan is only 1%, while ours is 10 to 12%. And therefore, our paybacks have to be faster, and therefore, most of the times, these acquisitions which are there, it just is not working out. And therefore, it is not that we've got something in mind for 1,000 crores, which is on the annual. It is only the maximum ceiling. I had said that we will not go for any. If there's a good acquisition opportunity, but it is going to be more than 1,000 crores, then we will not look at it. That's all I had mentioned. There's nothing really on the anvil or something which is very hot. So therefore, it's not that exciting at this moment to talk anything specific.
The sense is on other businesses, including the consumer space, the sense is that you could actually stand to benefit because of the focus towards induction technology now that LPG is getting rationed, is now getting rationed. You want to talk about what will be your focus?
Yeah, actually the induction cookers last year was our first full year. We did over 100 crores. This year we're looking at 150 crores. But the important aspect is that in case this LPG availability is not there, all manufactured induction cooker is really going to be a good opportunity for people who instead of paying 800 rupees for a cylinder, which is non-subsidized, the cost of running on the induction cooker will be hardly 400 rupees. So it becomes really very interesting, and also it is something which is also from an energy saving point of view. From every angle, induction cooker will have a great future because of less subsidized gas available in the marketplace.
Certain recent reports, research reports have sounded a little caution, a little concerns about the E&P, the electrical and projects business, wherein there have been cost overruns in some of the older projects. You want to talk about that?
Yeah, absolutely. This problem of cost overrun on one side, completion of project on the other side has taken a lot of beating because we've made a lot of money in the earlier years, but completion of projects has been delayed, and therefore we are expecting by end of third quarter, most of those old projects which were lingering for years will be closed, and therefore we will be taking certain amount of hit in the second quarter, certain amount of hit in the third quarter also. After that, hopefully from fourth quarter onwards, I think that old bad period of last 1.5 years we have suffered for that will be clear, and then we are expecting that the future business also is expanding, and we are expecting that by end of the year, our order book will be about 1,000 crores on the E&P business. Unfortunately, many of the projects where we are clearly L1, where we should have been getting the order long back, have been postponed, delayed, because indecision is now taking place a lot because of the scams are now taking place. Everybody is afraid to place order in spite of it being we being L1, where we should have got the order. But I think in the next couple of months we should get it. That's why I said we hope that we'll have an order book of over 1,000 crores by end of 31st March 2013.
All right, Shekhar. We leave it at that. Thank you so much for joining us there. Great to get those thoughts across.
Thank you so much for inviting
Thank you
me.
so much. Let's move on. Let's talk about Suprajit Engineering.